The bison entered the list of the top 10 trending animals for the year, despite being the 129th most searched animal in 2014. The commercial raising of bison for their meat has helped the American bison rebound since it was nearly hunted to extinction in the 1800s. Dolphins are very intelligent creatures that are also quite gregarious. They can even switch between pods and can assist sick or injured members of their pod in rising to the top for oxygen. Although the bald eagle is the species that most Americans are familiar with, there are 60 other eagle species worldwide, with 44 of them found in Eurasia and Africa. There are just 2 resident eagle species in North America, the bald eagle and the golden eagle. Contrary to popular belief, a pony is not a baby or juvenile horse. It is a little horse. These horses' existence on the periphery of suitable horse habitat is probably why they acquired shorter legs, thicker manes, and smaller statures. Look at the back of the animal to tell it apart from a monkey. Apes don't have tails. The Ebola virus is currently the main threat to the great ape branch of the family in Africa. The lobster, which is near the bottom of Google's list of the top 20 most popular animals, has a lifespan of up to 70 years. Unlike us people, lobsters don't slow down or get weaker as they age. In fact, it's possible that they get more fruitful. The tails and dry noses of monkeys set them apart from the other primates in the family. Sometimes capuchin monkeys are taught as service animals to assist quadriplegics and other individuals with mobility impairments with feeding and personal care. The cow is one of the most popular breeds of livestock in the world and is considered sacred by Hindus. Although it is a frequent misconception that the color red enrages bulls and other cattle, cows are actually red-green, colorblind, and cannot identify the color. There is only one native species of deer in Africa, the Barbary stag, which is native to all continents except Australia and Antarctica. All male deer and both sexes of reindeer have antlers, with the exception of the Chinese water deer. Ducks are feathered birds that live in many of our rivers. They are typically monogamous for a year, but after the young are grown, the couple frequently splits. Duck is derived from the Old English term DC, which means diver in modern English. Given that more than half of the world's rabbit population resides in North America, the rabbit is a very frequently searched animal on Google in that region. Hares, which are larger, have longer ears, are born hairy, and have good eyesight, are different from rabbits. If you are arachnophobic, turn away now. There are over 43,000 species of spider known to exist today, just one of which is herbivorous. The gray wolf differs from other Canis species in great part because of its friendlier and more expressive personality. The dog and gray wolf shared a common progenitor in Europe some 15,000 years ago, because it is one of the creatures that has been studied the most. The turkey bird, which is a staple of American and Canadian Thanksgiving feasts, is named after the nation. Since the 1300s, Turks have lived in what is now Turkey, and it was through this region that guinea hens were transported from East Africa to Europe. The lion was a considerably more well-liked species up until around 10,000 years ago. After humans, it was the most common large terrestrial mammal on the planet. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The pig, which was the most popular trending animal in 2014, is also very intelligent, gregarious, and is growing popular as a domestic pet. Pigs represent 38% of the meat produced globally when they are raised for their meat. Perhaps because they can be found on every continent except Antarctica, and with the notable exceptions of Ireland, New Zealand, and a few other islands, snakes are frequently perceived as being frightening creatures. The shark, although being regarded as one of the most scary animals on the globe, kills just an average of 4.3 people every year. Despite being a predator, horses and cows are more deadly pets. Each year, they murder 20 people in the United States alone. The bird is one of the most prevalent creatures on Earth today, consistently ranking in the top 10 since Google Trends launched in 2004 together with the following 6 animals. Nearly 130 bird species have vanished since the 1600s as a result of human activity. The bear, who enjoys number 6 on our list, spends most of its time alone, with the exception of when it is courting or has young. 6 of the 8 bear species are omnivorous. The polar bear and panda bear, on the other hand, almost exclusively consume meat. The irony is that fish have the highest species diversity of any vertebrate animal, with 32,000 distinct species, right behind the bear. In terms of size, they range from the 0.3-inch 8 long, robust baby fish to the 52 feet 16 long whale shark. And yes, technically speaking, sharks are fish. There are currently over 24 billion of these cluckers in the world, since they are farmed for their flesh more than any other type of fowl. The horse, which has been used for centuries in both combat and labor, once had several toes. The majority of horses are domesticated, and even those that people mistakenly label as wild are actually feral because their ancestors were formerly domesticated by humans before escaping and living. The cat is the most popular pet in the world, despite ranking number 2 on our list of the animals with the most Google popularity. Cats make terrific friends and also make excellent hunters due to their near-dark vision. The most often searched animal on Google is man's best friend, at number 1. Even though only 17-24 of dogs are kept as pets, there are an estimated 1 billion dogs in the world, proving that dogs are indeed top dogs. If you liked this video, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.